You spent 2 hours teaching your AI your business. You close the laptop, tomorrow it knows nothing. Again. Everybody blames the model. It is not the model. The model has no memory by design. Every session starts from zero.
Happy birthday!
So most people re-explain their whole operation every single day and call that using AI. The fix is not a better prompt. It is a folder. If the knowledge lives in files instead of in the conversation, the assistant walks in already knowing, because it reads before it works. This is the structure. One file says who you are and what the rules are. One folder per project holds its current status. A skills folder holds the procedures you have already worked out, and a working artifacts folder holds the output of every step, so the next session reads the file instead of rederiving it. Here is the part people skip. At the end of every session, the assistant updates the status file itself. The session is disposable. The files are the memory. Skip that step and you are back to day one tomorrow. Set up this way, you stop being a prompt engineer and start being an operator. You hand over the problem and the end result. It reads the room it is walking into and gets to work. We package the whole structure, the folders, the rules, the session ritual. As Claude Code OS link is below.